I'm feeling so happy about it. So excited for the second round, and I was so excited when I got selected.
My experience was pretty good, and it is altogether a very different experience, and kids are getting more of exposure, so we are very satisfied and very happy for that.
And Anya has been my partner, the little baby apron for my baby girl.
I'm very excited. I love cooking.
I'm glad, I'm thrilled that we won the selection round and we are in for the finals. And thanks a lot. Food and cooking had always been my passion, and it's something that I do with the core of my heart. And now, giving this opportunity, I think we as a team can prove that we are not only the best mom and daughter, but we are the best cooks also. Thank you.